Exercise can help you improve your health and fitness without hurting your joints. With your current treatment program that we recommend, exercise can strengthen the muscles around the joints, help you maintain bone strength, give you more energy to get through the day, make it easier to get a good night's sleep, help you control your weight, enhance your quality of life, improve your balance. How you might think exercise will aggravate your joint pain and stiffness? That's not the case. Lack of exercise can actually make your joints even more painful and stiff. That's because keeping your muscles and surrounding tissue strong is crucial to maintaining support to your bones. Not exercising weakens those supporting muscles, creating more stress on your joints. There is a lot we can do before we decide to replace our joints. Remember, the joint replacement is irreversible. Maybe it is better to explore other methods, including exercises, nutrition, proper mindset, and supplementation. Please comment below and share.